And here we're going to start with a piece of turnip. We're going to cut it more or less about the length of 2 fingers, which would be roughly here in the middle. And let's go. And now let's remove the skin. Make it nice and round. And here, let's try to make it even. And now let's make small cuts. They're not very deep, okay? We're going in about 3 millimeters now. Turn it over and do the opposite. It has to look like this. Now you just have to turn it over. And let's do it on the other side too. It was done on both pieces here. And now let's trim the edges to make the dish look nicer. I recommend doing a lot because it really changes the appearance of the egg, of the radish. Just trim the edges here, make it round. It will look like this. And now trim the other side. It will look like this. In a pot, a bit of dried shiitake. And here we'll need a little bit of ginger, about 4 slices or so. Add it to the shiitake. Add the daikon. Boiling chicken broth until it covers our daikon. And now turn on the heat and let it cook for about 10 minutes. Meanwhile, let's prepare our garlic. It's 3 cloves of garlic cut into thin slices. It doesn't need to be that thin. Just thin slices. All done here. After 5 minutes, let's flip it. And leave it for another 5 minutes. After 10 minutes, let's do the toothpick test. It's soft already. We can already take it out. Just remove the daikon. We're still going to use this broth. Let's strain it. To separate the broth from the shiitake and from the ginger, and we'll save this broth in a frying pan. Add olive oil and our garlic. And here we'll let it cook until it's nice and golden. Once it gets to this point, we can take it out. I turned off the heat a bit. We're just going to take out the garlic and set it aside because we're going to use it later. With the garlic removed, let's add the radish and leave it on medium heat until it gets golden. Here, once it gets to this point, we can flip it over. And brown the other side. With both sides browned. 1 tablespoon of butter. It can be salted or not. Let it melt. And now add our sauce. Just a little bit. And here you just pour the broth on top. And let it cook like this on medium to low heat for 3 to 4 minutes. Now just turn it off. Put it on a plate, the sauce on top. A little bit of parsley. And if you like Oriental food, subscribe. New recipes every day.